Want to surprise your grandkids with some seriously cool tech? These fun and futuristic gadgets are perfect for sparking creativity, laughter, and endless curiosity. From smart toys to interactive gadgets, each one is designed to bring generations together in the best way possible. All the featured products are linked in the description below. This flying orb ball is pure magic in motion. Give it a toss and watch it float, spin, and boomerang back like something straight out of a science fiction movie. The built-in RGB lights make it look incredible at night, and it automatically stops if it bumps into something. Recharge it in minutes and enjoy endless trick sits the ultimate mix of fidget spinner, drone, and glowing toy fun. This flying disc takes your outdoor games to the next level, literally lighting up the night. Packed with dozens of bright LEDs, it glows in over 16 million colors for a jaw-dropping effect. Motion sensors turn the lights on automatically when you throw it and off when you catch it. It's rechargeable, waterproof, and perfectly balanced for smooth, accurate throws. Playtime just got a futuristic upgrade. This floating globe looks like pure magic. Suspended in midair by hidden magnets, it spins silently while glowing with shifting LED colors. The sleek C-shaped stand gives it a futuristic vibe that fits perfectly on any desk or shelf. Just set it up, give it a gentle spin, and watch it hover effortlessly. It's part science, part art, and completely mesmerizing to look at. This gadget is where tech meets art. Shaped like a sleek car model, it's actually a 3-in-1 wireless charging station for your phone, earbuds, and smartwatch all at once. The MagSafe charger even rotates so you can watch videos while powering up. A soft ambient glow lets you know it's charging, and built-in safety features keep everything cool. It's the most stylish way to clear cable clutter. Bring the universe right into your room with this adorable astronaut projector. It fills your ceiling with swirling galaxies and glowing stars, turning any space into a peaceful cosmic scene. You can change colors, brightness, and rotation with the remote, set a timer to drift off under the stars. The astronaut's head even tilts to aim the nebula wherever you want. It's pure space magic for any night. This little gecko doesn't just crawl, it climbs walls like a pro. Using special wall climbing tech, it sticks to smooth surfaces and scurries up like the real thing. The remote lets you steer it in any direction, and its glowing LED eyes make it look alive in the dark. Charge it up with USB, grab the controller, and get ready to prank your friends with your new creepy crawly companion. Here's where playtime meets programming. This smart robot car kit teaches you how to build, wire, and code your very own moving robot. You'll learn how sensors help it follow lines, avoid obstacles, and even respond to your remote or phone. The step-by-step guide makes it super easy to assemble, even for beginners. It's hands-on learning that feels more like fun than homework. This mask looks straight out of the future. With hundreds of bright LEDs, it lights up your entire face with animated patterns, emojis, and crazy effects. You can even change designs mid-party using simple hand gestures, no buttons needed. It's lightweight, comfy, and fits perfectly thanks to its adjustable strap. Whether it's Halloween, a concert, or a costume event, this mask guarantees you'll be the center of attention. It looks like jewelry, but works like a full-on health lab. This smart ring quietly tracks your sleep, heart rate, stress, and daily activity, all while looking sleek and minimal. It learns your body over time, giving you insights that actually feel personal. The titanium build makes it durable yet feather-light, and the battery lasts up to a week. It's smart tech disguised as timeless style. Take your creativity to new heights, literally. This mini drone shoots crystal clear 4K videos and 48 megapixels photos, capturing every detail from above. It's lightweight, foldable, and flies up to nearly 2 hours with 3 batteries in the combo. Vertical shooting makes it perfect for social media-ready clips, while the 3-axis gimbal keeps every shot steady even in the wind. Explore up to 10 kilometers away and bring your aerial visions to life. Get ready to turn your backyard into a laser battlefield! This rechargeable laser tag set comes with glowing vests, epic sound effects, and even a mist spray for that real-life action feel. You can form teams, switch between weapon modes, and battle up to 150 feet apart. Everything lights up and vibrates when you're hit, so you know when to dodge. It's non-stop fun for family tournaments or friendly rivalries. Cruise the streets with power and style. This electric longboard hits speeds up to 24 miles per hour and glides for miles on a single charge. The dual hub motors are whisper quiet yet powerful, giving you smooth acceleration and control through a wireless remote. Its maple and bamboo deck flexes naturally for comfort while staying sturdy under your feet. Fully assembled and ready to ride right out of the box. Give your little artist a screen they can actually draw on. This colorful LCD writing tablet lets kids doodle, write, and count without wasting paper. The pressure-sensitive surface reacts just like a pencil, but one tap clears the screen for a fresh start. It's lightweight, durable, and safe with a screw-locked battery. Perfect for car rides, flights, or quiet creative time at home. Some memories deserve more than a phone screen. This smart digital frame brings your favorite photos and videos to life with a bright IPS touchscreen that shows every detail clearly from any angle. You can send pictures straight from your phone in seconds, no cords needed. With built-in storage for thousands of memories and expandable space, it's like a living album that updates itself with love. Get ready to play with light in the coolest way possible. This glow-in-the-dark string toy lets you create mesmerizing loops, shapes, and tricks that seem to float in midair. Its built-in LED keeps the string glowing, so your moves look incredible in the dark. Compact, rechargeable, and safe to use, it's perfect for quick fun breaks or showing off your creative skills anywhere, day or night. These glasses don't just help you see, they help you capture life. With built-in cameras, open-ear speakers, and voice control, you can snap photos, record videos, and listen to music completely hands-free. Chat with an AI assistant for directions, reminders, or instant translations on the go. The sleek, classic frame hides all the tech beautifully. It's like wearing your phone, camera, and music player, all in one pair of shades. Get ready to control the coolest car ever without even touching it. This gesture-sensing stunt car zooms, drifts, and flips with just a wave of your hand. Its 8-wheel drive design handles any terrain and transforms into different shapes at the push of a button. Add water for a mist effect and lights for a real racing vibe. Indoors or outdoors, it's non-stop action that kids can't get enough of. Bring a little magic to bedtime with this adorable 3D illusion nightlight. When switched on, it projects a glowing teddy bear balloon that looks beautifully three-dimensional, even though it's perfectly flat. You can tap to change between 7 vibrant colors or set it to gently fade through them all. Powered by batteries or USB, it's soft on the eyes and comforting through the night. A cozy, heartwarming touch for any room. Your new pet doesn't live on a screen, it lives in your hands. This interactive digital pet reacts when you touch, tilt, or swipe, making every moment feel real. You can feed it, play with it, and rock it to sleep as it grows from baby to adult and beyond. The more you care for it, the more adorable creatures you unlock, up to 15 in one pod. It's screen-free fun that keeps you smiling and engaged. Meet the cube that refuses to stay a cube. With hidden magnets inside, this glowing pyramid puzzle can twist, flip, and snap into over 1 billion shapes. You can stretch your imagination, relax your mind, or just fidget endlessly. It's that fun. The holographic surface glows under UV light, turning your creations into shimmering art. Build solo or connect more cubes to make massive, mind-bending structures. Turn imagination into real creations. This kid-safe 3D pen lets young artists draw in the air and bring their ideas to life without any heat or burn risks. It's easy to hold, quick to charge, and packed with colorful filaments and fun stencils to get started right away. Kids can design, build, and learn hands-on STEM skills while staying screen-free. It's creativity, innovation, and learning rolled into one amazing pen. Who knew making music could be this fun? Slip on this smart musical ring and tap any surface or the included pad to create beats, loops, and sounds instantly. It connects to an app that lets you mix songs, experiment with tones, and even link to professional music software. Perfect for kids or grown-ups, it turns creativity into play. Portable, durable, and endlessly entertaining. It makes music feel like magic at your fingertips. Folding laundry just got futuristic. This automatic folding and ironing machine does all the work for you, perfectly creasing shirts, pants, and towels in seconds. Smart sensors adjust to each fabric type, ensuring smooth results every time. It can handle up to 30 garments at once, saving you hours of chore time. Sleek, compact, and safe to use, it turns your laundry routine into effortless precision. Game night just got an upgrade. This handheld electronic tic-tac-toe brings classic fun to your fingertips with a bright touchscreen and real-time score display. You can play solo, challenge a friend, or switch to memory mode to test your brain power. Fun sounds and voice prompts keep every move exciting and interactive. Compact and travel-ready, it's the perfect way to keep boredom away anywhere you go. Ready to give your brain a real workout? These Super Blocks puzzles mix classic logic with modern lights and sounds for an interactive twist. Just follow the glowing guides, fit the blocks in place, and watch the board react as you progress. With hundreds of levels and challenges, it keeps your mind sharp while staying screen-free. Compact, fun, and endlessly repayable, it's a perfect puzzle companion for home or travel.